Today I'm going to be putting all of my fidgets in this organizer. Simply decorated it all with stickers and some cute tape. And the reason why I'm doing this is because my little fidget bag was just too small to hold all my fidgets. So we're going to go through each drawer one by one and organize them. Now we're going to take a tour of my organizer. Okay, so the first top red drawer, I just have sort of all my stress balls and then my slime and DIY marble meshes. I don't really know where else to put them, so they go in the red bin. And now the yellow bin, I just have all my squishies. Those are my mochis, and I thought the DIY Simple Dimple and Slinky would go well in there. I also put these two DIY poppets and my wax traps in there. And now the blue drawer. So I just have my poppet, DIY poppets, and fidget pad, and this DIY tangle. Some more DIY fidgets, not gonna get into that. So my Rubik's Cube, two random shaker thingies, textured thing, broken pea popper, and this DIY bendy beads, roller rings, and my fidget pad. Cube. And then I just have my book, glasses, and my favorite Bible verse, and some other stuff up on the top. Bye!